Nĩ igongona rĩa kuririkana maobithaa GSU arĩa merega gũkuĩra mutino-ini wa barabara mwena wa Naivasha. Nirihaririio thingira-ini wa iregi kũrĩa mararangagĩra na amwe yao maretaga wabici. Ritongoririo nĩ atongoria a dini itiganĩte.
Kwa maana kila mmoja wetu amewahi kuwa na msiba nyumbani kwao. Tunaweza kufikiria vile ambavyo mnajihisi wakati huu. Na kwa hivyo tu pamoja nanyi katika maombi, na mjue ya kwamba fikira zetu na sala zetu zi pamoja nanyi, kila mmoja wenu.
We should not be forced by any power or any force, because there, heaven is our home too. So why would we be forced to go to our home, and one day we'll be there?
Hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩu mũnene wa borithi Joseph Boynet nĩ atarĩirie ũrĩa ararĩ na ihinda iritũ agĩkinyĩria president ũhoro atĩ maobithaa acio nĩ mahutirio nĩ mutino ũcio.
And I wish to pay tribute to His Excellency the President for the fortitude in which he absorbed the very tragic news. Because to me I was devastated, and I could not bring myself to conveying the sad news. But I thank Your Excellency for the fortitude of accepting the tragic loss of our officers.
Munini wa President William Ruto na Minister wa Ũgitĩri Joseph Nkaiseri nao nĩ macakaire ikuũ cia maabithaa acio arĩa moigire mararĩ andũ a bata ona arĩa angĩ marakuĩrĩire mutino-ini ũcio.
Mr. President, these are not just your security officers. They are also your neighbors. You live with them in this compound. They are part of your family. And when you instructed us to cancel the meetings we were supposed to have after Madaraka, it was that realization that you have deep in your heart the concerns of the families of those in your compound.
The ministry, through the National Police Service, you are going to take to ensure that the families are taken care of.
Handũ-inĩ hake President Kenyatta ũrĩa ũratĩririe thabarĩ yake mwena wa Narok oigire bũrũri nĩ ũrĩirwo nĩ njamba cia bata.
It is a reflection of what the Kenyan nation actually is, because it is a compound that has people from every single corner you can imagine. And this is the way we would wish our people to live in their country. We truly appreciate everything that you do day and night to make State House function and work. And you are truly an appreciated part of this establishment.
Maobithaa acio ikumi na umwe moimaga mwena wa Rift Valley kũrĩa maragitagĩra president hĩndĩ ya icera rĩake mwena ũcio hĩndĩ ĩrĩa macemanirie na mutino ũcio. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Macharia wa Mugo.